Earn $200 per month in passive income. Inside this video, I'm going to break down the exact strategy you need right now to start earning $200 per month, and then how to double that earning every single month thereafter. Hi, my name is Todd Dowell, and I've been an internet marketer for the past 12 years, and I've found numerous different ways of making money online. And here on this channel, there is no different. I share a lot of different tactics, whether it's making a little bit of money per day or actually making $10,000 and $20,000 and $30,000 per month just from the comfort of your own home. So if you're interested in these types of topics and would like more videos on these topics, go ahead and subscribe to this YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified exactly when I come out with a new video on this YouTube channel. Passive income is something that everybody is searching right now, but it's hard for them to get. And on this channel and on this video right now, I'm going to be breaking down a strategy that requires you not to spend as much money to build a passive income as it does to build maybe like a real estate portfolio.
All right, so $200 in passive income, one of the best ways I can tell you is through YouTube. Now, I've been doing YouTube for quite some time now, but I've always taken a break off of creating YouTube videos just to do other things. And so like now that I'm focused back on this YouTube channel, I see the power behind actually having a YouTube channel. Whether you want to show your face on the YouTube videos or not, you can still make, the same amount of money from a YouTube channel. As you can see right here, I uploaded one video here, one video here, but it was just basically up and down, up and down, up and down until I decided to really come back to the channel. So if you see this video right here, what I've been up to, in this video I'll let people know that I was coming back to the channel and that I was going to actually start uploading more videos and sharing my knowledge that I learned over the last 2-3 years that I have been missing from this YouTube channel. Going forward here, September the 17th was the first day that I came back to actually setting up some YouTube videos on this channel, and then I just kept going and I kept launching. I was experiencing a lot of attrition on this channel, meaning that there's people that were watching this video or want to watch my new videos, and they were kind of like dormant on this channel for a while. And so since I hadn't been posting on here for a while, there's a lot of unsubscribes that came from my YouTube videos that I was launching at that time. And so as I continued to deliver more content, I was able to start bring this account to the positive and start actually gaining subscribers per day with this channel. But it took me about, I would say about 30 videos. Okay, it took me 30 videos to actually get this channel back in a swing of actually gaining more positive subscribers on this YouTube channel. Prior to this, I was losing about 5, 10, even 15 subscribers a day as I was posting new video on this YouTube channel. If you have a brand new account, it is a lot easier if you start from scratch with a new channel versus go ahead and start with an old channel. In order to start gaining momentum, it takes a lot more, it takes a lot longer, and it takes a lot more videos to make it happen. But I show you inside this video the shortcuts that you need to take in order to start gaining positive momentum and get into that partnership program a lot faster. In order to start earning money from your YouTube channel, and like I said again, it doesn't have to be your YouTube channel, like with your own personal brand. It could be a channel where you don't even show your face. You could do like slideshows or whatnot. My most recent videos, you can tell I'm showing you guys the difference between showing your face on videos, and then you can not show your face on videos and still do the same amount of numbers, get the same amount of subscribers, so on and so forth. Okay, it's no difference. It's just the way you structure your videos. Secondly, in order to get inside the YouTube partnership program, you need to have at least 1,000 subscribers on your YouTube channel, and then you need to have at least 4,000 watch hours on your channel. You can see that I gained 732 watch hours, okay, on this YouTube channel in the span of since August the 1st till now, October the 26th. So it does take a while to get those watch time hours up, and so while you're doing these using this method, it's gonna take time. Okay, it's not gonna be something that's gonna be overnight, but once you hit momentum, or once you get a viral video on your YouTube channel, which takes about 3 months from posting your YouTube videos, then you're gonna start to gain those numbers a lot faster than what you can think of. I've bought courses before. I've experienced people who hit 100,000 subscribers in 6 months, who weren't famous, who didn't have any friends that had followings that gave them shout outs or any of that crazy stuff. They went from scratch uploading videos on this channel the way that I'm getting ready to show you inside of this video. So the first thing that you want to do, just to go ahead and find different videos, is whenever you type in the keywords that you want, okay, to rank for, like the big keywords, you can find videos that have been up for at least, like, for example, 6 months or less. Those types of videos are the best ones to go ahead and mimic. And the whole concept behind this, again, is to go ahead and follow or mimic videos that are already viral on YouTube, period. You can do this in any niche. It's not just to make money online niche, but you can see that this guy, yes, he does have 345,000 subscribers, but he generated 247,000 views on his video. So if I go to his YouTube channel, that is not his average view count on every one of his videos, okay? So if I pause this right here, go to videos, and then you can see his most recent videos that he posted on his channel. So any videos that are out of whack, any videos that get the maximum amount of views, you want to go ahead and just mimic those the best way that you can. So if you can see, for example, this has 17,000 views, but his average videos looks like they're getting around 8,000, 11,000, 5,000, 6,000 views on these videos, 20,000 views. Let's see anything else that's crazy. So this one 2 months ago, see what I'm saying? This video right here is a monster. You want to try to mimic this video the best way that you can. Any other videos that are like extremely out of whack with the amount of views on the channel, then you want to go ahead and mimic those videos. And so like this is the growth hack of YouTube, is by mimicking. I'm talking about down to the not taking their screenshots and stuff like that, but the way that they've laid out the video, the way that they structured the video is exactly how you want to structure it. For example, if I go back to that video that had 240 something thousand views on it, the things that you want to copy from this video is the intro, the way he set up the video, the way he's, this is a Camtasia style video. He's showing his face, but then he's showing clickbang at the same time, right? The description, the title that he has on this video. If you go on the right hand side, if you have a social blade, you can see all of the tags that he has for his video and how he laid it out. You can see his SEO score if you're using TubeBuddy on his YouTube channel, on this video, okay? And so like you can see a gang of comments here. So this is a really good video to copy, but don't copy his video. Copy it in your own words with your own recording, and let it be obviously unique by you actually creating the video. So that's what you do, and that's what I've been doing at my YouTube channel. And I've done this before. I did it in 2018. I was able to generate a few viral videos on this YouTube channel. So if I go back to my channel right here, so if I click on this video right here, this video had 87,000 views on it. So if I go to the analytics of this video, and then I go ahead and pull up the lifetime stats of this video, you're gonna see how much money this was able to create, but more importantly, how big of an audience it was able to create in that same process. So if I click on since upload time, this video was not monetized from start to finish. It was only monetized maybe a few thousand views of that, okay? So if you're looking at that and you're wondering like, why did I make that much money from this video? It definitely wasn't because of how much money I was making from the channel. It was because I didn't have the video monetized all the way through from the beginning. But I was able to gain 4,700 subscribers from this YouTube video right here. All right, here's another video, and I believe this video brought in like 700 subscribers to the YouTube channel. So I hit analytics on this as well. The lifetime stats, I was able to generate 881 subscribers from this one video. $56 in revenue. Again, I didn't get to fully upload or actually get my revenue up from this channel as well. Same thing, same difference here. I didn't get monetized on time with this video as well. So that's exactly what I was saying like earlier in this video, is that it takes a while to actually get monetized, especially back then when I was actually creating these videos. It just was a wait. It was an insane wait time to actually get approved for the partnership program. I'm gonna show you this video too as well. This one started to go viral as well since uploaded time here. You can see that I gained 1,600 subscribers off this YouTube channel. So like with those just those 3 videos alone, I was able to pull in over 6,000 subscribers just from those videos alone. That's more than half of the subscribers on this YouTube channel came from 3 videos on this channel. And then you look at my estimated earnings or revenue here, my RPM is $27. So like I get paid from YouTube pretty well for my YouTube videos. However, like I said again, if you're not approved for the partnership program on time, it's really not going to pay you that much, obviously, because all the views before weren't monetized. Okay, so it's not retroactive. It's not something that goes back and just well, we're gonna pay you for these 30. No, these videos are being, these advertisers are advertising on these videos. And if you think about it, after I was doing a lot of research and finding different videos that I wanted to upload, I realized that I had to really start thinking like an advertiser. I am an advertiser, and I just wasn't thinking like an advertiser. But I want to advertise my products and services on this video. If it says free on there, or if it's a free way to make money online, what type of people will be attracted to those types of videos? And then more importantly, like, would I really be paying to advertise on a video if it hasn't had that many views or hasn't made that much money. So I started thinking about that, and then I started restructuring my content, and I've been really analyzing a lot of different things with YouTube to see like how it works. And it seems like every time you get to about 33, 32 videos on your YouTube channel using this method, it starts to take off. It starts to gain momentum, and then as the months go on, it just doubles and triples as you continue to keep using the same tactics growing your YouTube channel. But there was something that I found out that was pretty dope. Allows you to create voices or voiceover that doesn't sound robotic, okay? And so I left a link to this in the description of this YouTube video, but I'm using this now on my YouTube videos for my other niches that I don't have time to actually create voiceovers and different things like that like I do on this channel. So I actually use a software. It's called Speechello. And Speechello has many different languages that you can actually translate the voices over into. And so it's really cool because it automates the process and it gets these things done in minutes, okay? And so like not even minutes, like seconds, it can actually translate words into speech. So basically you can type out whatever you want the video, like the guidelines of each patch of words, and this software will actually translate it into a voiceover within seconds of actually plugging it into this AI software. So like, technology these days, 2020, 2021, you can really start gaining momentum with your YouTube channel just by utilizing stuff like this. So you can use this along with another website called Pixabay, which is what I use, and it's gonna be kind of funny because you're gonna go to Pixabay and you're gonna realize that, wow, there's a lot of the same videos that you use on your YouTube channel right here on Pixabay. So Pixabay has free stock footage and video, images and video that you can use on your YouTube videos without even having to any troubles or any strikes on your channel or anything like that. You can utilize from this website. And so they have millions and millions and millions of footage and images on this website. So you're going to combine that with using Speechello to actually basically talk about certain topics. Now, like I said again, if you're using that along with going to YouTube, and let's say for example you want to go into the health niche and you want to go type in something like lose weight fast or something like that, you can see different videos on it. For example, this one right here, 6 simple ways to lose weight, 3 years. But this video has been up for 3 years, so it wouldn't be a good idea to actually mimic that video. So you can actually use this filter too as well, and you can say you could just say like this year. That'll pull up the most recent one. So I'm not trying to beat a dead horse or anything. I just wanted you guys to get the understanding of what you could do. Even if you don't want to use your own voice, you can actually use Speechello to actually make that happen. So the link to that is in the description of this YouTube video. Go ahead and click that and go ahead and purchase that as well. It's only 47 bucks. You don't need any of the upsells behind that product or anything. You just need the front end product, which is 47 bucks, okay? And what you're going to do is you're going to write down just little pieces of content so that you can go ahead and have the Speechello transform that content into words so that you can go ahead and have that on your video, okay? And you just need like an editing software to throw together the images and the videos that you need in order to make sure that this works with that method, okay? So that's all I had to share with you guys. Go ahead and hit that like button. I really would appreciate it. And then go ahead and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Hit the notification bell so you'll be notified exactly when I come out with a new video on this channel, spitting some fire, showing you guys things that you never knew is possible, and how to make the most amount of money from investing the least amount of money on your business.